Dieting plays an important role in today's lifestyle. Life today demands a healthy and attractive body. There are a large number of diets available for today's fitness fanatics. Some of them are well known among the general public and are commonly followed, while the others are jealously guarded by the practitioners. The diet designed by George Cruz, called the 3-hour diet, is one that is a well-kept secret. People are largely skeptic about this diet, as it proposes that one can lose weight by actually eating every once in 3 hours. However, this diet is based on a common scientific principle and is one that is here to stay. The basic idea behind this diet is that the human body needs proper food at regular time intervals. In the absence of this, the body will switch into a starvation mode. Under this condition, the body does not burn the fat as it is supposed to. Instead, the extra fat in the body is held on to while the muscles are burnt. Most diets known to people reduce the food intake to reduce the weight. Hence, they leave people feeling hungry constantly throughout the day. However, the 3-hour diet does not do this. Instead, many have to remind themselves to eat constantly by setting alarms and scheduling regular food breaks. However, eating any kind of food will ruin the entire effect of the diet. It is very important to eat the right kinds of food while following this diet. Information on this can be obtained from the book by Jorge Cruz called The 3-Hour Diet. This book gives information on how to make the diet work for different individuals according to their needs and lifestyles. Information on the weight plan and ways to include it in one's daily routine can also be obtained by signing up online. The book is the most ideal guide to this diet. It is an encyclopedia of facts, tricks and various tips on following this diet and making sure one sticks to it no matter what. The most important thing to remember is that this diet has to be followed down to the last rule in order to get the desired results. The schedule given by the diet plan must be religiously followed. True followers of this diet must be ready to eat once in every 3 hours to get the best out of it. This diet is based on one's current weight and how much of weight they want to lose in the given time frame. The needs of the human body vary from person to person. This diet takes how to lose weight with the right food. These needs into consideration to achieve the best results for individuals. To get the best results, one must be completely honest while following this diet. People have claimed to lose up to 10 pounds in just 2 weeks immediately after starting on the diet, while others have gone on and claimed that as much weight can be lost by sticking to this diet. Many celebrities have followed this diet for glowing results. They have now become fans of this diet and are endorsing it. This diet, like every other diet, has its pros and cons. However, it is highly effective when followed properly. The follower should have real commitment to achieve the desired results. This diet has completely changed the face of dieting. The results provided by this diet have revolutionized the fitness world. If you are a person who avoids diets because you hate feeling hungry, then this is the diet to change your life.